bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds grow, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wheat twigs with a small hot spark.
A small hot spark?
The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts." Badger says with a grin, "Let's divvy them up. Cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. Yummy.
Yummy.
But the bear snores on. Can you snore like a bear? Like that. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clatters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods.
Is that the bear snores on?
Yeah.
And what's that, Tommy?
I think that is this is the hare, this is the, what is that again? I forgot.
Harry.
A gopher. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party
What is that, Tommy?
in his very own
What is that,
lair.
Tommy?
I think that's oh, wait, let me see, who is that? That's the, where is it?
A bell?
No.
Much.
I think that's the badger right there. Yeah. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew right there. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What happened? Achoo, says the bear. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear snarls, and he snarls. The bear roars, and he rumbles. The bear jumps, and he stomps. The bear growls, and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. The mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, "Yum, yum, yum." The bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.